Welcome to Bill's Bridge Corner, Wednesday, December 25th, 2013. Class 63, Transfers. And by the way, Merry Christmas. We've covered the beginning subjects on opening one no trump and responses. Let's do a brief review. Here is the ACBL convention card having to do with no trump opening bids. We've covered the opening bid of one no trump and two no trump, and we've covered some basic things such as Stamen and Smolin. We have covered Lebensaal transfer, and we have covered don't. Today we're going to cover transfers. Now, as far as this convention card goes, we're looking at two different kinds of transfers: Jacoby transfers and Texas transfers. Let's begin with Jacoby transfers. You have a 5-card major, perhaps longer, and you want to bid over your opponent's opening one no trump bid. Opener, your partner, shows 15 to 17 starting points, and he has at least 2 cards in every suit, or at least you assume so. A Jacoby transfer begins with a bid of 2 diamonds or 2 hearts. This bid is in blue on the convention card, as you show in the last screen, and when your partner bids that, the one no trump opener should announce transfer. It is an announcement in the blue. Partner should announce transfer. The bid shows 5, possibly more cards in the next higher ranking suit. 2 diamonds shows hearts and 2 hearts shows spades. Opener is expected to complete the transfer. And just a quick review, the concept is simple. The strong hand remains the hidden hand, so that they're leading into the strength rather than through the strength. The declarer is most likely to be the one no trump opener, and that's the concept behind transfers as a whole. You bid the announced suit, but things may happen on the way to the Super Bowl. You may decide as opener to super accept. What does this mean? Let's suppose the one no trump opener likes the suit. He has 4-card support in particular, and he may have good controls like aces and kings, or even he may have a short suit, which probably no more than a doubleton, but it might help in a suit contract. If he likes the suggestion of the major suit, he can bid something besides completing the transfer. What he can do is as follows. He bids something else, and here's what he might want to bid, other than the transfer. Let's look at super acceptance. After one no trump 2 diamonds showing hearts, super acceptance shows 4 or more hearts, plus a bid of 2 spades or 3 clubs shows shortness in the suit bid. It's similar to the short suit game tries after major suit. It's better to show the short suit than the long suit. 3 hearts shows shortness in diamonds, while 2 no trump shows an excellent hand, 4-3-3-3 with 4 hearts. After the transfer to spades, one no trump 2 hearts, super accept shows 4 spades, and the bids might mean 2 no trump shows a balanced hand with 4 spades. 3 clubs or 3 diamonds shows shortness in the suit that you bid, while going to 3 spades shows shortness in the heart suit. Responder, after a super accept, can retransfer, rebid the transfer to get so that declarer is the one no trump opener, and then pass. He may bid for himself, or he may actually make a slam try by means of a Q bid or Roman key card, etc. After the transfer, what happens? A pass is self-explanatory. The responder doesn't have enough to even attempt an invitation to game. You might want to invite game. 2 no trump shows 8 to 9 starting points and a 5-card suit. Raising the transfer to 3 shows 8 or 9 starting points but a 6-card suit. And 2 spades after a transfer to hearts is invitational, showing 5 hearts and 4 spades. We covered this a little bit when we were covering Smolin, if you recall. A new suit at the 3 level is forcing to game and shows a 4 cards or longer in the suit that you bid. Other possible rebids after the transfer. A new suit at the 4 level is a splinter bid. It shows a 6-card suit plus shortness in the suit bid and is definitely a slam try. A series on splinters are going to come later on. We've covered a couple of cases after major suit opening, but we have more to come on splintering. 4 no trump is a quantitative slam try. It is not key card. 5 no trump is pick a slam. Summary of responding with both majors. If you're weak, 4-4 and balanced, you probably will pass. If you're unbalanced, you'll bid 2 clubs. With 5 spades and 4 hearts, transfer with good spades, else bid 2 clubs. With 5 hearts and 4 spades, transfer with good hearts, else bid 2 clubs. With 5 hearts and 5 spades, transfer, then pass, bid 2 hearts over 2 diamonds. That's all with weak hands. With an invitational hand, 8 or 9 points roughly, 4-4 bid 2 clubs, 5 spades and 4 hearts bid 2 clubs, then 2 spades over 2 diamonds. With 5 hearts and 4 spades, bid 2 diamonds, transfer, then 2 spades. 5-5 bid 2 clubs and 2 spades over 2 diamonds. Responding with both majors where you have a game forcing strength. With 4-4 in the majors, bid 2 clubs. Do not bid puppet stamen. We're going to cover puppet stamen in a class very shortly. And if you don't find a fit, no trump is always a place to play. If you have 5 or 6 spades and 4 hearts, you bid 2 clubs. Then over 2 diamonds, you jump in hearts. Likewise, 5 or 6 hearts and 4 spades, you do the same thing, but you jump in spades. You jump in the 4-card suit. If you're 5-5, transfer to spades, 2 hearts, then bid 3 hearts, forcing to game. Straightforward. What are Texas transfers? Texas transfers are transfers at the 4 level. Over a 1 no trump opening bid, a bid of 4 diamonds shows 6 or more hearts, transfer to hearts, and 10 or more starting points. While a bid of 4 hearts shows 6 or more spades, it's a transfer to spades showing 10 or more starting points. There are 2 ways that you can use the bid of 3 hearts. I prefer the second. There's probably other ways, but here are a couple. 1 no trump 3 hearts or 1 no trump 3 spades shows a strong 6-card suit, almost independent, with slam interest. The second way to play it is to play it as a splinter bid with 4 cards guaranteed in the unbid major with slam interest. Opener signs off or makes a slam try. Tomorrow, we're going to cover responding to partner's 1 no trump opening bid with puppet stamen. See you tomorrow.